So first of all, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Professor Dr. Anand Nayyar and I'm working as Professor, Scientist, Vice Chairman Research and Director of IoT and Intelligent Systems Lab at the School of Computer Science, Dutan University, Da Nang, Vietnam. First of all, it's a real honor to be acting as keynote speaker in ICRASTEM 2025 conference. In fact, this conference aim and scope is quite huge, but considering the modern technologies and the innovations that we see recently in the world of artificial intelligence, so it is my duty to all inform you that, of course, as artificial intelligence is changing, we are seeing the softwares, we are seeing the smartphones, we are talking about technology, we are talking everything with AI. So today I will be talking about the most important prominent topic as of today in 2025. In fact, this is going to be the next level future. And if there is any more innovations that is going to happen and that is going to lead with automation and of course the improvement in business process decision making in terms of education, in terms of industry 5.0, it will be all based on agents. Now, what is an agent? What exactly it is? I have actually split my presentation in two parts because no doubt my part will be LLM agents in modern computing, redefining intelligence and automation. But I assume that some of you doesn't have experience in LLM agents. Now, before I start LLM agents, I would like to tell you everybody that today we all know about ChatGPT. We know about Gemini. We know about Claude. We are talking about Qwen model by Alibaba. So we are using the large language models as of today, in which we just type something as an input and the model use the advanced neural network in order to process that information and generate the information in form of tokens. So bigger your model, the more training it has, the more advanced neural network it has, the more advanced information it can be generated. So if you ask me today that what exactly is a skill that you need to upgrade, the most important thing is that you need to understand how to interface with these language models. And that's the answer, that you need to understand the prompt engineering. So if you go to my search on Google, you can find I have already released 2 books on prompt engineering with the CRC Press and a course with Elsevier. And very soon my next book on LLM agents will be hitting the market by maximum to maximum December 2025. So everyone, let us start the part A of my lecture, in which I will be telling you that what exactly is LLM based AI agents. Now today everybody, if you talk, at one time we were talking about chatbots, but today you don't even have to code. Everything is based on vibe coding. In fact, you can even generate your own quantum computing simulator. You can make your own application for the business. You can make a game in C++ or Java code in just next 10 minutes. So what is happening? We are just making the agents. So today it is very important for you to understand. Now, as a professor of artificial intelligence, I regularly update my syllabus. So in that syllabus, now this time we have included LLM agents. Now in this conference, I will be talking about LLM agents and overview and redefining intelligence. But first of all, let us understand what is an agent, why we need an agent, and how the agents actually work. Now you can see from the screen that I have based the presentation on actually 4 important questions, so that you should understand that what exactly the agents are and what exactly the agents require to perform the work. So it is very important for you to understand that agents are really our helpful friend. That the time that we used to make our project at one time in 40 to 45 days, now the project can be possible in less than 10 minutes. So let me talk about what is an AI agent, why develop AI agents, how to develop AI agents and challenges of AI agents. And of course, after my second presentation, I will be opening up some hands-on practical for all of you, in which I have shortlisted some websites which will provide you almost how you can go for the free development of AI agents. So we have to explore this AI agents in terms of developer and business perspectives. We have to understand some case studies, that how we can enhance our understanding and how the recent trends can lead to the next level automation and development of AI agents which are best suitable for industry. So the $1 million question as of today is, what is an AI agent? Now you see that if you talk about the broad application look of applications of AI agent, I can give you hundreds and thousands of examples as of today. But most important research applications, you need to understand that AI agents are actually classified into different categories. The first category is called as agentic AI system, which actually autonomously perform the task and operations, and that is what we require, like a software robot for business or even for industry 5.0 and of course with industry X.0. Second is multi-agent system. When we have agent 1, we have agent 2, and they are combined together and they are performing a cooperative task and performing the task for you. The third are called embodied agents, which means that they interact with physical or virtual environment to achieve the goals. Now in the future, these type of embodied agents will be most helpful in gaming and of course in augmented reality. And the next part is called computer controlled agents. Now today, I hope everybody knows that if you have taken the subscription of Claude or if you have taken the subscription of GenSpark, you can even install them and you can even get your computer control. Now suppose if today I am planning to go to Bangkok between November 27 to November 30, I don't have to go to trip.com or Agoda. I just have to type on the agent that okay, I'm planning for trip to Bangkok from November 27 to November 30, and my priority will be to visit MBK Mall, Terminal 21 and Central World, and I also want to visit Wat Arun. So please give me the itinerary, book the flight tickets, and also tell me which is the best hotel I can book in Ashok or Nana or Sukhumvit. So let the AI agent process all the websites, and on that basis it will able to process all the things, and I don't have to even touch my computer. So if you talk about some of the business applications, the business applications could be consumer oriented like travel and mobility. I don't have to go to trip.com or an app. I have to search for